Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be making Glossy Jiggly slime. This slime will be like barrel slime, so I hope you will like it. If you are new to my channel, it would be very nice if you could click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. If you want to get a shoutout in my next video, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and write a comment with a notification squad hashtag. And now let's move on to the video. Start with white PVA glue. Now add to it body lotion. There should be a little bit less body lotion than glue. Mix it well. And now use any activator. I'm using borax. You can also use laundry detergent or contact lens solution with a little bit of baking soda. Keep adding your activator and mixing. In the end, knead it in your hands and it's done. I will split my slime into 3 parts and color them in different colors. that's it for today. Let me know in the comments if you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and see you soon. Bye!